Hi, my name is Luke Holcomb. I'm the Marketing and Enrollment Manager with Apparatus Contractor Services. And today we're going to go over one of the 50 rules of bookkeeping that you'll learn too late, and that is don't pay your employees as subcontractors. We'll talk about why you would, what the consequences are, and how to solve the real problem. So stay tuned. So to be clear about what we were talking about, paying an employee as a subcontractor looks like this. You have someone that works for you by the hour. This means that every day they go to work for you, you tell them where to go and when to leave. They don't do this for anyone else, and that makes them an employee. You give them a check every pay period, but you don't take out and file taxes, no workers' comp, etc. And at the end of the year, you send them a 1099 for all of the wages that you have paid them. This practice is also referred to as paying someone under the table. And when folks do this, they usually rationalize it in a few different ways. They will say, well, technically they're subcontractors. Two, they might say, if they do their taxes right, it works out better for them anyways. And three, everyone else does this. I can't compete if I don't. And here's the deal. For number one, they aren't technically subcontractors. Your desire for them to be doesn't make it so, and the IRS has a 21-question survey to help you determine if they are. It's not very complicated. For item number two, saying that it works out better for them is nonsense. These are laws for a reason. The labor movement fought very hard for these things long ago, and they did it for a reason. And for number three, saying that you can't compete, well, we'll get to that. Before we talk about solving the problem of not competing, let's talk about the consequences. You will get caught. All it takes is one employee who doesn't like you and doesn't like being fired when they do something stupid to get you caught. That's it. When that happens, any penny you thought you were saving, you're now looking for in the couch cushions because you're going to owe more than that. The big deal is that you can go to jail. Hopefully, now we're all on the same page about this being a bad idea. You will get caught and the consequences are real. So let's talk about why you think you need to do this and what the solution is. The real reason you think that you need to do this is because you don't feel like you can afford it. You think that if you do this, you will go under, or if you change enough to pay people correctly, you won't get any work. So listen up. Here's the real reason. You have put yourself in a position where you are competing on price. You think that the only reason someone will hire you is if you are the cheapest. If this is how you are competing, then you are in a race to the bottom. And you are probably already low enough that no matter how you pay your employees, your business isn't doing well. So the solution is simple. One, you must make sure you have enough money to run your business correctly and make a profit. And two, you must work for people who are hiring you based on the value that you bring to the table. This value could be speed, quality, or flexibility, but you have to rely on something other than how little you are willing to make. The real reason is that you have planned to do this, and that's why you have to solve the real problem by competing on value, not price. Thanks for viewing this video. On behalf of the entire Apparatus team, I sincerely hope you've discovered something here that can help you grow an even more successful construction company. If you've had enough of not feeling in control of your company's finances, we're here to help. If you're ready to finally take action and give your business the precision bookkeeping, payroll, and reporting capability you know it needs, Apparatus is the answer. So here's your next step. Go to www.apparatusteam.com/action. We have a very simple 4-step process to get you started. First, you'll see what kind of clients we look for. Next, you'll have the opportunity to watch a pre-recorded video that gives you a full overview of our services, our prices, and how we operate. Third, if you're ready to move forward, you'll have the opportunity to fill out a preliminary application form. And last, we'll schedule a half-hour Zoom meeting with you. In that meeting, we'll have an in-depth conversation about the current status and future goals you have for your company, the bookkeeping challenges that you now face, and how Apparatus can help you overcome those challenges and unlock the potential in your contracting business. We look forward to talking to you.